Hello, this is by Fan Japan. In this video, I will unbox the Quest 3, Quest 3 Elite strap with battery, and Quest 3 silicone facial interface. This is what's inside the Meta Quest 3 512GB. Check the controller. Check the USB cable. The length is 1 meter. Check the charging adapter. Output is 18 watts. Check the manual. Check the Quest 3. Check the straps. The clearance of face part can be adjusted in 4 levels separately for the left and right sides. Check the Quest 3 body in detail. There is an earphone jack on the right side. There is a USB jack and power button on the left. There is a volume controller on the bottom right. There is a lens spacing adjustment dial on the bottom left. Unbox the Meta Quest 3 Elite strap with battery. Check the manual. Check out the Elite strap with battery. The back part is made of soft material. You can adjust the length of the strap by turning the dial. Attach the Elite strap with battery to the Quest 3. Two weeks later, the long-awaited silicone facial interface has finally arrived. Unpack the silicone facial interface. Check the silicone facial interface. To attach the silicone facial interface to the Quest 3, remove the default facial interface. Compare the default facial interface and the silicone facial interface. The softness feels the same. Silicone knot feels more slippery. If you wear glasses, the silicone version makes them more likely to get cold when you put on your Quest 3. Compare weights. The silicone version is 14 grams heavier. Attach the silicone facial interface to the Quest 3. I purchased Sony earphones for my Quest 3. My Quest 3 usage configuration is complete. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Please also subscribe to my socials.